Hi guys, it's so much cooler today. I am so happy. I'm so happy. I just wanted, for my one extra thing today, I'm going to work on my outdoor little solar lights. This one quit working. That's one thing. And if you have a portable air conditioner, there are a couple things you need to do regularly to keep it working properly and giving you lots of cool air. So we'll show you. We've got filters to clean. The first one is right here. You just slide it out and you can see some dust in there. Okay, we want to clean that off, and we can rinse it in the sink or you can vacuum it off. Much better. So when you put those on, don't force it. If it hits resistance, just slide it back out and try it again, because it should go in very smoothly. But if it doesn't, don't force it. You're caught up on something. Yeah. And if you have a little straw cleaner, a straw brush, you can get these little grates here or vacuum them. And then the next one is a time-consuming one. We're going to pull off the hose, slide it out. Okay. Just let it hang there. And then this one right here pulls in a lot of dust from the room. Dust in here. And the straw cleaning brush gets in there really good. At the end of the season, I will put the unit in the shower and I'll spray all the coils and everything and then take it outside and let it dry thoroughly to store for winter. But just for right now, I'm just going to clean off. Because this thing is heavy and hard for me to lift. And I don't want to be hurting for days.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
When I wash it in the tub, I unplug these holes and the water will run out here, and then there's another one at the bottom. Right here. Oh, water! I gotta keep that in there so it can make cool air. It's gotta have some moisture or it'll freeze up. We don't want the coils to get so dirty that it freezes up. Okay. There's our lint. So they're a little better. Not perfect, but I'll get them in the fall and make them nice and clean.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Good Sunday morning. I just woke up. Hello. Wake up. But I want to get my pork started to marinate. It's 11 o'clock. I just got up. So that's what I'm going to do. Make a little marinade for those little pork cubes. Stew meat, they called it. Stir fry. Yes, we'll stir fry them. Stir fry. Pepper. Salt. Some brown sugar. I already took out a little bit of the meat for Annie, so it won't be seasoned up, you know. But she can still enjoy a few pieces of pork. This brown sugar. Just a little bit of Worcestershire, because it's very potent. And some soy sauce. I have some minced garlic. Chili garlic sauce is perfect for this. Just a little bit. I don't want to overdo a good thing. I'm going to boil these potatoes just for a little while. Let's put. Okay, my meat has been marinating all day, so I'm going to set that aside. I have some julienne potatoes, some zucchini squash, gonna need some cornstarch, and I also have some onion for the stir fry. Okay, for the sauce, we need some soy sauce, garlic, some ginger, some chili paste. There. Put a little cornstarch in there so it will thicken and be delicious. Good enough. I saved back Annie some meat so she could still have pork, but not without all the flavoring. Okay, for Annie's stir fry, some oil and some her meat. I salted her meat a little bit and put it in cornstarch to give it a crustiness. Throw in some potato for her. Some zucchini. Okay. Little Annie's. Okay. We'll start with some onion. Okay, I'm going to take them out of the skillet. Now my potatoes. These were just put in water. Just 3 small potatoes, and I put them in water on the stove, brought it up to a boil, let it boil for 5 minutes, and then turned off the heat and just left them in that hot water. And then I took them out later and let them cool, and I peeled them, and they're still crispy tender at that stage. And so then I just julienned them. And I didn't have to worry about them turning black because they'd already been partly cooked. Okay. Some oil for the meat. I'm going to put a little bit of sesame oil. Sauce smells good. Here's my bowl of rice. There it is, my American pork stir fry. Okay, let's see. Bon appetit. That is good and tender. Spicy, sweet, savory, salty. It's all there, even on my shirt. Yummy, huh, Annie? Okay, there's my bowl, and there's Annie's. It was delicious, absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.